they will be investing 100 grand, $1 million. If they're venture capitalist companies, because you could do that as a company, you might have $20 million to invest at 80 cents, a dollar, $2 per share, right? And that's all these seed rounds, these fund rounds. So they'll do fund round one. Let's say they look at, before their company IPOs, they need 4 rounds of funding. The first round they need $2 million, right? So they'll say the minimum investment $50,000. We need to raise $2 million in this first fund round, and then they'll do round two. They'll close that round out when they get to $2 million. Then they'll build what they need to build. They'll come back a year later and say, round two, we need $5 million, and this is what we're going to do with it. And they'll do that all the way through. They get their $10 million, and they're getting valuations all the way through this time. So now, fast forward. When that company goes to IPO, let's say they IPO at $40 per share, but none of their fund rounds was higher than $2. None of them, right? So now, let's say the highest was $2. Now, when that company IPOs, it's going to make people want to sell their shares immediately. And here's why. Let me show you something. So already, anybody who got in at $2, and it's going to IPO at $40, watch what happens. $40 minus 2 equals 38. And let's say they were $2. They invested $100,000. So that's 100 G's. You put the comma right here, boom. So divided by 2. That's 50,000 shares. So now you take 50,000 times $38 and look at that. Put the comma here, put the comma here. You have $1.9 million in equity as soon as that company IPOs. From a $50,000 investment, you have $1.9 million. And you have people who do this all the time. You have companies that do this, and they put in 4 times the investment, so $2 million. Do the math. This is what happens. This is the system. This is how it works.